Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe, press that notification so you can see more up and coming videos on DreadFX Custom Paint. In today's video guys, I'm going to take you through the nib and polishing stage on the Lambretta trailer that we've just completed. I'll pan round in a minute, I'll show you what I've done already, and then I'll take you through the stages of how I do the nibbing and polishing stage and what products I'm going to use in this video today guys. So I'll see you in a moment. There you go guys, there's the trailer that we completed in part 5 of the Lambretta. So what I've done is I've basically gone in with a little bit, just a torn off piece of 3M Wet and Dry 1500, and then I've gone round and you wipe your hand over the clear coat like that, and then you'll feel the little bits of dirt that'll just be sticking up. I mean, these were minor. In the video I said there was like a couple of nibs, but I've gone round looking down it, and any slight bits of dust that just settled in, tiny little bits, I've gone in and just knocked the tops off where they are. There's one down here. There's some tiny ones up here. See the little just dulling back? That's all you've got to do, is just wet your finger and just dull that back and knock it back like that. There's one there. So I've had a good look round it and just gone in with the 1500 and just knocked the tops of them little bits of dust that have settled in the clear coat. The products that we're going to use, I'll be using 3M Fast Cut Plus. This is my go-to compound that I'll use for when I'm doing this, and then I'll finish it off with a Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, and this will just basically, I'll put this on with like the black pad and just buff this up with this just to give it a bit more gloss. So they're the two products that I'll be using. That one first with a rotary, which is this one here, just a cheap rotary. It'll do the job. You've not got to go too expensive. You can go expensive on these. I've got that one, and I've also got just a standard Halfords. This is exactly the same as it's the DAS 6, I think it's called. They're the same. That one's got the Halfords on it, exactly the same. This one's a dual action, so that acts more like a DA when that spins. So we can use that one with the Meguiar's, and we'll go in with the 3M with the rotary just to get the first stage done with that, and then we'll finish off with that one. So what I'll do is I will stick you on a time lapse. We'll go through these stages, then I'll give you another little talk through when it's completed, and you can see the finished result guys. But it's not a lot to do, so I thought I'd just give you a little video on how I go about doing the nibbing and polishing stage, and I wanted to just take you through it with us guys. So I'll see you in a bit in the time lapse. Right, you've seen me going on that time lapse guys. I've just gone round and we've done the first pass with the hard foam on the rotary and the 3M Fast Cut Plus. So we've knocked back all them bits that were nibbed out. The next stage on this is to go round with the dual action, and we'll go round with the Meguiar's compound, and I'll compound this with the dual action all over, and then we'll buff that off, and then we can drop some wax on this and just give this a good coat of wax for the customer, and then that will wrap this one up guys. So yeah, it's all looking nice and shiny now, but we'll just give it a little buzz over with that roast with the dual action and the Meguiar's, give it a bit more shine, and then we can stick some wax on it. So I'll see you in the next time lapse, guys. Last stage now, guys. In that previous time lapse, I went around with Meguiar's with the soft foam pad on the dual action and just buzzed over that and gave it a little bit of shine. The next thing we're going to do now is just do a finish protection with some Carnauba wax. This is the Meguiar's one again. This is like a, I'll show you what this is like. You get your applicator, which is a sponge, and this is like a paste wax. So just drop a little bit on there and just work that in. You're not going to put loads down, just spread this round. You can either do this circular motion or in passes like that. Just give this a nice light coat all over, and this will just give it a nice gloss protection on this for the customer. Just nice, pushing that about. And let this haze off for about, give this about, I'd say 5 minutes. It's quite warm today. It does go a long way, this product. As you can see, there's loads on there. So that's a nice even coverage all around that, guys. We'll let that haze off for a minute and then just go with your standard. I've just got a standard microfiber to take this off, which is one of those. We'll let that haze up, buff this off, and now I'll take you a little spin round to finish off the video. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Only a short one, just to show you how I do a nib and polishing and finishing this Lambretta trailer off, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.